You do not need an expensive juicer to make powerful raw beet juice. Today, we are covering the famous blender raw beet and fresh ginger juice recipe that you can make in just 5 minutes flat. Unlike store-bought juices packed with excessive sugar, this recipe uses whole raw beets and real ginger, giving you pure, unfiltered performance benefits without the sugar crash. Here is what this simple drink does for your body. Promotes healthy blood pressure. Natural nitrates in raw beets convert to nitric oxide in your system, helping relax and dilate your blood vessels. Fights chronic inflammation. Packed with antioxidant-rich betalains and gingerol, it works to calm systemic inflammation fast. Natural athletic energy. It boosts cellular oxygen efficiency, giving you raw, sustained endurance without caffeine. So, where exactly does this super juice go to work inside your body? Let's break down the physical body parts it empowers. The cardiovascular system and heart. Nitric oxide from the beets directly improves blood circulation, easing the workload on your heart and keeping your cardiovascular walls supple and strong. Muscles and stamina. By improving oxygen delivery to your muscle tissue, it accelerates recovery times and builds physical endurance during workouts. The brain. Enhanced blood flow extends straight to your brain, targeting cognitive function to reduce mental fatigue and sharpen focus. The digestive system. Fresh ginger stimulates digestive enzymes, soothing the gut, relieving bloat, and keeping your gastrointestinal tract moving smoothly. Immune defense and cell health. The combination of anti-inflammatory compounds shields your cells against daily oxidative stress. Making it taste amazing is all about the ratios. In your high-speed blender, combine 2 cups of water, half a pound of peeled, chopped red beets, and a 1/2 to 1 inch cube of fresh ginger. Blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes until fully liquefied. Here are 3 pro tips to master the taste. Use smaller beets. They are naturally sweeter and far less earthy than large woody ones. Skim off the heavy top foam. After blending, remove the foam since it carries the bitter, earthy taste. Adjust to your taste. Add a slice of fresh lemon to brighten it, or half an apple for natural sweetness. Pour into mason jars, chill, and drink. Don't throw away those beet greens either. Chop and cook them just like spinach. If you loved this healthy blender recipe, smash that like button, comment down below your favorite juice combo, and subscribe for more daily health hacks.